Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you all?
I'm fine. You?
I'm also fine. So today I will told you about a story. This is story I will study in my 10th class. When I study in 10th class, that time I learned this story and I also read it. And this story gave us a lot of information about life and also about the pupils. In this story is about a farmer. His name is Lencho, and he have a immense faith in God. When his house is situated in a top of a low hill, and his house is situated alone, means there's no one other house is situated, and he lived there with his family, with his wife and his 4 sons. 2 sons are elder and 2 are younger. Then 2 elder son is helper to the Lencho for doing work of field. Lencho do work in his field just like an ox. Means he serve a lot of in his field. Then he thinks that when my harvest is ripe and I will cut it, and after it I will get lot of money, and while this money my 1 year is spent properly, and but his harvest want a sharp, means at least his harvest want a heavy rainfall, but he thinks that if a shower is happening, that it is good for his field. When at evening time, his wife is preparing the meal, and she said to his younger son that you will call your father and your elder brother, and they also called them, and when they sit for eating the meal, then Lencho said to his wife that our field want a shower, and his wife said that maybe today, means his wife is predicted that maybe today the rainfall is happening, and it is his word says right, and from south north a large group of clouds is come and the rain is start, and Lencho's younger son go outside for taking bath in the rain, and Lencho become a lot of happy. Lencho said that the big drops of rain is 10 cent pesos, and the small drops of rain is 5 cent pesos, and they both are happy. But after some time, a heavy wind blow, and after it hailstone is falling down, means rain is stopped, and the rain of hailstone is started, and Lencho become in tension. He thinks that if it is a continue, then our field is destroyed, and he said to his wife, if the God wants, then it is passed quickly, but it is not happening. The hailstone is falling down at least 1 hour. When it is stopped, then Lencho go to his field, and when he watch his field, then he said to his son, it is just like to covered by the salt. And also he said other thing to his son. He said that a plague of leptos is remain than it. Then he become in a lot of tension. He thinks that now how can my family survive his life, and how can we live in 1 year, and he also need money for showing again his field. So but he have no money, and there's no one live beside his house. Then he demand for him for money. So he think about it in a whole night, and after it he decided to write a letter. And he is a poor farmer, but he his whole situation, what is happening with him, and he demand to the God 100 pesos. And you know that he have a immense faith in God. He believe in God a lot of. In a normal voice, we said that it's a blind faith. Then he thinks that no one help me, but the God is that person who will help me, and he trust on them. And when and it's a Sunday. At that day, he will go to the post office and place his letter in the mailbox. And after that, when the post office employee take out his letter and they become laugh, and the employee take this letter from to his senior, means the postmaster. And when he saw that letter, he become laugh. And after that, after some time he become serious. He said that that person have a immense faith in God, and he is an innocent God. He is an innocent person because he don't know that the God is not live at any house. And then he decided to do the help of Lencho. He said to his whole employee that I want to help that person. If you want, then you give me some money. And he also include a part of his salary in that. But he will also collect only 70 pesos, and the 30 pesos is remain. And he think that now it's enough for, because I will only do enough. So he place it in that mailbox, and on it letter only the single sign of God. And after it, when next Sunday the Lencho come, then he will ask that any letter come for me. Then the postmaster gave him the letter, and when he is not shocked that the God sent me letter, and they also sent me the money. Because he have a faith in God. When he count the money, at that time he become anger. He was not happy, but he become anger because in that letter only 70. He received only 70 pesos, but he demand to the God at least 100 pesos. Then he said in his mind that the post office employees are the bunch of rocks. And after that, he said he think I will write a letter again. And he also write a letter. In that letter, he write that God don't send me, because I will get only 70 pesos, and 30 pesos are remains. And don't send me it by the mail, because the post office employees are bunch of the crooks. And now the story is finished. I don't know what is happening in last, because this story is finished in that after it. And but this story told us a big means those person who write this story, he know about he know about what is happening in our future. Means in past time people like to do help other, but now in present time no one want to interfere anyone's life, and no one want to do help other. They do help, but they make the reels and videos and they post it in social media, and they think that now I will become famous, and people know that I am a very kind-hearted man. But I think it is not right. If you do anyone's help, then you do it quietly. If means there's a phrase means people said it in a past time. If your right hand do any work, then your left hand is don't know about it. If you want to help any other, then you do help just like that. So that's all.